The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Butler County, Kentucky, northwestern Warren County, Kentucky, south central Ohio County, and central Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Morgantown, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Rochester, Woodbury, South Hill, Huntsville, Mining City, Dimple, Leetown, Bentley, and Rockland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Ohio, Kentucky. Taking a look at your